If you're buying smoothies every day, having a trusty blender on hand will save you so much money in the long run. Whether you're just making protein shakes or looking for something to double as a food processor, we found the best reviewed blenders across 12 categories. When deciding which blender is right for you, consider size, functionality and price, but don't be afraid to splurge if using one as part of your daily cooking routine. Better to spend the money now than choose an appliance that will burn out. These are some of the best blender options for smoothie lovers, home cooks who make hummus from scratch, and even those who love to whip up a creamy soup every now and again. They vary in size from some single-serve options, perfect for making meals alone, to large professional-grade options, ideal for feeding many people. We've listed the top 6 smoothie blenders and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, validconsumer.com. Number 6. Magic Bullet 11-piece blender set. The Magic Bullet blender is a buttonless, compact countertop blender with a 250-watt motor. It comes with multiple accessories including 2 cups, one 12-ounce, one 22-ounce, multiple travel lids and lip rings, plus one Stay Fresh lid. This variety of to-go cups paired with easy-to-use design makes it our top pick for a blender with the best travel cups. We also love that it's easy to clean. All parts are dishwasher safe except for the motorized base. The Magic Bullet blender has the same functionality for blending as other personal blenders on the list. After attaching the cup to the motorized base, simply push down to start blending. Despite the 250-watt power, the blender may have more difficulty crushing ice and other large pieces of food than some of our other options. Additionally, packing the blender with too much food may make it impossible to start the blender. If that happens, remove some of your ingredients and try blending in 2 batches. Number 5. NutriBullet 600-watt personal blender. Our number 1 pick for the best single-serve blender is the NutriBullet personal blender. It's a buttonless blender with a 600-watt motor base. And, like other smoothie blenders, it blends when you lock the cup into the base and press down. The blender comes with one 24-ounce travel cup, a single travel lid, and a single lip ring. Its high-powered motor makes it easy to blend ice and other large pieces of food, but many people report that it's loud when blending. All parts of the NutriBullet personal blender are dishwasher safe, excluding the motorized base and removable blade. But despite the easy cleaning of most parts, the blender may leak, making it difficult to properly clean the base. Number 4. BlendTech Total Classic Original Blender. There's much love and appreciation for the BlendTech Total Classic Blender, thanks to the extra strong blades for smooth, consistent blends and easy push-button blending control. It's also a snap to clean because, seriously, who wants to spend more time scrubbing out the blender than enjoying their juice drink or smoothie creation? Not us. Just add soap and water and the BlendTech cleans itself in less than a minute. This high-performance blender is hassle-free and easy to store until its next use, whether it's to pulverize ice for a margarita or get creative making soups, dressings, salsas or hummus. Number 3. Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. Another top-rated smoothie blender with a cool name is the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. One touch, preset buttons, including smoothie, green smoothie, and auto pulse ice crush, make it a cinch to get going once you unbox the Breville. This highly efficient blender is quiet, well, quieter than some of its fellow blenders, making this a popular pick. Whether you want to chop, crush, pulverize or macerate, the Fresh and Furious will serve you well. Number 2. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. With a name like Ninja, it's hard to go wrong. That's according to more than 31,000 customer reviews, many of which profess a deep love for this top-rated and very affordable smoothie blender. There are multiple Ninjas on the market, but we're most enamored with the budget-friendly Ninja Professional Blender thanks to its sleek design, ice-crushing abilities and dishwasher-safe blades that make cleanup a dream. At 72 ounces, the powerful smoothie blender is the largest one on the list, making it easy to quickly concoct a fresh smoothie or 2 or more. If you need a blender for making hot soups though, this blender won't be for you. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The Vitamix 310 Explorian Blender is a high-power, large-capacity blender with 10 speed settings and a pulse feature. This unit is different from the personal size smoothie blenders on the list, as it can be used for smoothies, sauces, soups, dips and more. It's our pick for those who are looking to invest in a professional blender. The 48-ounce container is not dishwasher safe, but can be self-cleaned by adding soap and water to the container to blend for 60 seconds. Take note that the blade is not detachable, which makes it more challenging to clean stuck-on food. Vitamix is known for its power, durability and versatility, but the drawback of these features is that, similar to the Ninja, it can make a lot of noise. It's also bulkier and heavier than other blenders on our list, making it better for use in kitchens with extra space. Still, Vitamix owners are big fans of these blenders and consider them to be worth the investment. If budget is no issue, 10 out of 10 times, I'd recommend a Vitamix. It whips whatever you throw in the blender into the smoothest, creamiest consistency without actually using any cream, and it's so high-powered it can make a slushie from straight ice. So that wraps up our list of the best smoothie blenders. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up. As always, I appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which smoothie blender you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.